Virginia, right?
Yeah.
All the way from Virginia to help me out with this video today.
Yeah.
Shout out Nick.
Woo.
Woolsey. It's interesting.
What's up, Mose?
Oh, yeah.
What's up, buddy?
Like
I love dogs. What's up, thrift mob? It's Nick here. My name is Nick. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Listen, if you're not familiar with where I live in the beautiful state of Virginia, in the mid-Atlantic region of these here United States, but we're going down to South Carolina. Let's roll. Hi, venti latte.
Not hot or ice.
Hot, please.
Okay, can I have your name to order?
Nick?
Do you want anything else today?
No, that's it.
Okay.
3,000 years later.
All right, so what is the deal with South Carolina and why am I here? Long story, kind of short, is a couple weeks ago I uploaded a YouTube video. I did some really cool film footage in that video. And it caught the attention of Josh, aka Harry Tornado. He DM'd me one day, said, hey, please call me. He gave me a cell phone number. I called him. He asked me some questions about video. We chatted about it, talked some YouTube stuff, and in the end, we worked out a deal where I would be able to come to South Carolina and film a very important YouTube video for him. This obviously is a super huge honor to be able to work with someone who's coming up in the YouTube game. And I'm honestly like kind of shell shocked that I'm here. So I just arrived in South Carolina, checked into my hotel. I'm gonna jump in the shower, then I'm gonna jump into the thrift mobile and meet up with Josh. So with that being said, thank you for joining in on this video. I can't wait to share with you everything that's going on. We'll talk more after I go meet the guys.
Virginia, right?
Yeah.
All the way from Virginia to help me out with this video today.
Yeah.
Shout out Nick.
Woo.
Woolsey. It's interesting.
What's up, Mose?
Oh, yeah.
What's up, buddy?
Like dogs.
I love dogs. Okay, cool.
All right. Be less.
Dude,
What's up, man?
pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to
Awesome.
meet
What's up, dude? All right, let's just take care of the important stuff first, I guess. So I spend a lot of time every week like breaking down YouTube channels, and I know you're not supposed to compare yourself or like that kind of thing, but I just like to see what other people are doing. Like, how are they growing? What are they looking like? Analyzing like, what is Josh doing that's different than other people, that's explosive growth, and like, how can I emulate that? Success leaves clues.
Reverse engineering, because like when I first started, there was no production quality at all in the reselling side. I mean, it was like just a better camera at least, you know, like
And make a mark.
Scoundrels. Look at these scoundrels.
Hey, I got a surprise for you in the car. Come see it.
Oh,
real
no.
quick. I got a surprise for you. You gotta come see it.
Yo. What's up, dude? What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How are you?
Oh, Joey.
Good to see you.
Nice
Nick.
to meet you, man. How's
Yeah.
everything?
Good. What's up, dude?
Yo, man, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you
Josh, give me
too.
a hug.
Yeah.
I'll give you a hug, man. Love you so much. How are you, man?
I'm excited, man.
I'm super excited.
Look at that mustache.
Check it out.
Guy.
Look at the hair, the beard, the mustache.
We all have facial hair.
Nick, did you?
So I ate a few hours before I got here, and yeah, you told me to go get dinner, and I was like, I'm gonna take a nap.
boss him? No, it's easy. You just let's take you guys to the YouTube studio. Here we go. It's not perfectly clean. I cleaned frantically today before you guys got here.
Yeah.
But this is where the magic happens. I can put that right where scoliosis is. Right.
You scoliosis survivor also?
Yes, sir. Yes, bro. Together we stand.
Well, crooked.
Crooked, yeah, with curvature. Okay.
Today is the day. I have to be quiet because it's early. Today's the day we're shooting. I'm excited. Barely got any sleep last night. Going to pound some caffeine and get going.
All right, let's go. Sunglasses or no sunglasses? Hat or no hat? In my last video, I had like 10 people say I should not wear them.
What is up, you guys? My name is Josh, also known as Harry Tornado. In today's video, I'm finally celebrating hitting 100,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel. We go! Pumped, baby! This is so fun. I got to ride in a limousine to Pizza Hut, and I was thrilled out of my freaking mind. So we're gonna go to the first thrift store is gonna be a Goodwill. We're gonna head there. It's the one with the bins that I go to all the time. Nick, it would only be more fun if we had like more people to enjoy this day with. Hey, you guys want to be on a YouTube video? Us? Yeah, you guys. Whoa! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Drew and Joey drove all the way down, up from Florida, and they are going to be joining me today in the limousine. So let's go ahead and get into Goodwill here today.
Okay, 400.
497. Round it up.
Round it up. Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Awesome. Good job, guys.
Got one shot.
Kobe. Are you gonna film it?
The triple
Thrift.
podcast.
Let's go, baby.
All right, guys, here we are out in South Carolina filming for Harry Tornado. He brought me on to film for his YouTube video as he hits 100,000 subscribers. They are in the Goodwill right now, grabbing stuff, filling carts, buying items in order to donate them. We just got done filming some drone footage of the limo as well as the front of the Goodwill building. So let's jump back in there and see how the guys are doing.
That's it.
486.60.
There we go.
Around the 487.
Let's round it up. We'll round it up. We're at $486.40. We're going to round up to $487 for just the second store of the day. We got one more to go.
Thank you
so much.
Good luck.
It's taller than you, bro.
I'm going to do the number 7.
I'm doing a number 7.
I'm gonna get a number 7.
Can I get a number 7? As is, onion rings with a Coke, please.
Guys, again, shout out Nick. He drove all the way from Virginia just to help us film today's video. The one-hit wonder.
Wait, show the mustache. Show the people the mustache.
That deserves a subscribe for sure. You guys want a hot dog? Have you ever eaten a foot-long hot dog in a limo?
No, I haven't.
I feel like that's the perfect thing to eat in a limo, you know?
All right, I'll take one.
Okay, chili cheese, ketchup, and mustard. Got it.
Thank you. Laugh. You know you have like a different laugh when you're really laughing? Okay, I'm gonna make it rain napkins. We got Dick with the foot long.
All that stuff back there, Nick, turn the camera on. We didn't quite fill up the whole thing. When we came here today, they said they only accept new donations, and if something is used, they basically don't want it. So we're gonna go to a different homeless shelter and see if we can find somebody to take all the stuff that we got today. Didn't think we'd run into a problem with people not wanting donated items, but never know. Crazy world.
Hours on the clock, so we have to do that.
I mean, all we did was shop all day and put it in bags and get driven around all day, but it's just, it takes a lot out of you.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Finished up shooting for Harry Tornado and his 100,000 subscriber celebration video. Had an absolute incredible time with these guys, putting in the work, spending time together, and just enjoying the process. Looking forward to my 5.5-hour drive home. All right, guys, we're back in the home studio. I want to say a huge thanks to Josh, aka Harry Tornado, as well as Joey Badabing22 and Drew from Profit Monsters. These guys were totally awesome, letting me into their world. Josh was such a kind and gracious host. If you're not subscribed to these three guys already, they are linked down below. It is actually the second, third, and fourth link in the description. That first link will be the link to Josh's video, the actual official video of the 100,000 subscriber celebration that we filmed. Josh edited the official 100,000 subscriber thank you video, and so this was just the behind the scenes. If you want to check out his video, I strongly suggest that you do so. Just click that link in the description. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. It's one little button. All you have to do is click it. And as always, I will see you on the next video.